Are you a woman over 40 suffering from joint aches and pains? If you are, you could be making these 3 mistakes that I see people making all the time when trying to manage their joint pain. So if you don't know me, I'm Karin from Karinyogalife, and I'm a certified yoga teacher, Pilates teacher, and wellness coach based in Kingston, Jamaica. And I'm going to share with you 3 mistakes that I see people making all the time when trying to manage their joint aches and pains. The first mistake is that they're not moving enough. So simple movement of the joints can help you feel a lot better. So this means, for example, if you're having knee pain, you want to be doing gentle walking, yoga, swimming, other activities that are going to move the joint and help you to feel better. Numerous studies have shown that gentle movement will help to nourish the joint and make it feel better. The second mistake I see people making all the time when it comes to managing their joint aches and pains is that they're not strengthening the muscles supporting the joints. So that again means in the case of knee pain, you want to be strengthening the muscles supporting the knees. That means your quads, your hamstrings, the inner and outer parts of your thighs, even your core muscles, your legs, your feet. You want to be strengthening the muscles supporting the joint to help you feel better. And then the third mistake I see people making all the time when it comes to managing their joint aches and pains is that they're not gently stretching the muscles that support the joints. So you also need to be gently stretching the muscles that support your joints. So there again, you want to be moving, you want to be strengthening, and you want to be stretching the muscles that support your joints. And you know what does all 3 of these things? Take a guess. Yoga. Yes, yoga will do all these things. Yoga will gently stretch the muscles that support your joints, strengthen the muscles, stretch the muscles, and it will also move the joints to help you feel better. So if you're suffering from joint aches and pains, I encourage you to try yoga. I have lots of videos on my channels to help you get started. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Hope this helped.